Hello friend, today we want to grow basil seeds in this paper cup. I use paper cups because they're very cheap and available to everyone. I have already combined garden soil and leaf soil and now I use it. Basil seeds are very small and black in color, and they germinate and grow easily. The soil should always be moist so that germination conditions are favorable for the seeds. Wow, all the seeds come out of the soil. The sprout need indirect light to grow, because direct light damages them. Well, now our plant has grown and matured. It really smells wonderful. I recommend to all friends to grow this beautiful plant at home and enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment on this video.